Hello guys, welcome back to SolidWorks modeling. Today we are going to make one elbow pipe which have two flanges at the end. So today we are going to use the sweep boss option, a reference plane and new features like edit appearance and selecting the material. So we have a orthographic projection with us. We are having a top view and a sectional front view. Those who have already learned engineering drawing, they must know about the orthographic projection. From the two views we are going to make a 3D model. So first we are going to create an elbow, then we are going to create a square flange, and then the replica of the flange, that is a mirror of the flange. So first we are going to create an elbow using a sketch, reference plane and sweep boss options. So we are having a reference radius of 260 mm, and then from these 90-degree angle we are going to make a line of 150 mm both the side. Then we are having a circles for a pipe. So first of all I'm going to make a reference circle of radius 260 mm. So in SolidWorks I have selected the front plane. In sketch I'm going to create a circle of radius 260 mm. Okay, we just need a 1/4 portion of the circle. So I'll use a trim entities. I'll just cut remaining portion. I'll make both of the radius as a construction line. As mentioned in orthographic projection, we have a two line at the end of the circle or quarter circle of 150 mm. So vertical line of 150 mm and another horizontal line of 150 mm. Now we'll go back to the drawing. At the end of the 150 mm we are going to make a two circle of 120 mm diameter and 200 diameter. For that we are going to create a reference plane. So I'll exit the sketch. I'll go to the features, reference geometry, reference plane. I'll select this point. As we need a plane which is perpendicular, so I'll select a top plane, so it will be the parallel to the top plane. When I'll select this plane and create a normal to, we'll add the top. So now I'm going to create two circles on a reference plane of 120 mm diameter and 200 mm diameter. Okay, you can see both the circle at the reference plane. For creating a pipe, what I'll do, I'll go to the features. I'll use sweep boss option. In sweep boss option, as we know, we need to select one profile. Our profile will be the two circles and the path will be the elbow. So a pipe is ready. So we have created a pipe. We can take a sectional view. Here you can see, as shown in section view, our pipe is ready. This much portion is ready. So next we are going to create a flange. We need to create this square flange. For that I'm going to create a square, then I'll extrude it by 50 mm. So I'll just select this top plane of pipe. I'll go to the sketch. I'll use the center rectangle. From the center of pipe, you can see here black center, 300 by 300. Now we need to select this circle. instead of drawing as a sketch, I'll go to the convert entities. Through convert entities, automatically we got the sketch. So our sketch is ready. Now next I'm going to use a extrude boss option by 50 mm. Currently it is outside the pipe, we need inside, so I'll just flip it. So my flange is ready, you can see. Next we need to drill a 4 hole of diameter 30 mm on a PCD of 150 mm. So here I am going to use a circular pattern. I'll select this face, normal to. I will create a circle of diameter 150. I'll just draw one diagonal. I will select a circle. From the intersection of the diagonal and circle, I'll make a circle of diameter 30. Now I'll make this circle and a diagonal as a construction. Now I'm going to use the circular pattern option for making a 4 holes, equidistance holes. So here in sketch, here you can see linear sketch pattern. In drop down you can see the circular sketch pattern. You need to select a circle or center of the circle. So I have selected the center of the circle. Then here entities to pattern, I will select the small circle. So this here you can put the number of patterns, 4, 5, 6. You can do whatever you want. So I will make it 4. Equidistance, that is equal spacing. So our 4 circles are ready. Now we need to drill it. So for this I am going to use a features and then extrude cut option. Now you can see our flange with the holes is ready. Now next there is fillet at all the corner of the rectangle or the flange of radius 20. So here again in feature, fillet option. Here you can put the 20 radius. Select all 4 edges. So this is our elbow with one side flange is ready. So next we need to make another flange. For that I am going to mirror it. For that, before make mirror entities, I need to create a reference plane because it is not symmetric to the any standard plane. So next again I will go to the features, the reference geometry, plane. I will select this face, both end of the pipe. So our plane is ready. Next I will go to the mirror. In features, for mirror I will use mirror option for features. Then I will select this plane, full preview. I will select this flange, then extrude cut option. Okay, but our fillets are remaining. So what I'll do, I'll again use the mirror options, because in one mirror all the features cannot be mirror due to some constraint. So I will select this mirror. Now you can see all the fillets are mirrored. So our product is almost ready. Next you can see there is fillet of radius 10 and chamfer of 5 mm 45 degree. So I'll go to the fillet, here and here. of radius 10. Here we are going to adjust the radius. So both the fillets are ready. Next we are going to create a chamfer. In fillet drop down chamfer, I will select this edge 5 mm 45 degree. So you can see our elbow is ready. Next we are going to change the appearance of the elbow either by adding a color or by selecting the material. So here you can see material, right click it, edit material. Here you can see steel material. There are so many materials. I will go to the copper alloy. You can select anything, like I will select a brass. So here you can see the appearance of brass. Here also copper. I will go with the brass. Apply and close. Now you can see your appearance is changed. I will just select the background as white. Now you can see the appearance by selecting the material. Another way of changing a appearance, go to the edit appearance. Here also you can change a color. Look, you can change any color like a green, sky blue, blue, red. Like that you can edit any color. So this is how we have created a elbow from the orthographic projection. So today we have learned a reference plane and edit appearance or giving a color to the any component. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Stay tuned for the more